Okay, so here we have question number 11. So it is 40 and say 44. Okay, 40 plus 44. This 40 plus 44 is what? Is 84. Is there 84 here? No, it's not there. So I have not chosen the correct pair. So I will going to start with 40 and 43. Okay, then it is 83. 83 is not there. I have to start with 85. So 40 and 45 I have to pick. Okay, 40 plus 45 is 85 and it is minus. So I can easily cancel 85, this 40 and 45. So this part is correct. Next I will going to have 448. Then okay, here I will have 41 plus 42. 41 plus 42 is what? 41 plus 42 is 83. Do I have 83 here? No, I have 86. So I will write this 86 as 83 plus 3. Okay, I can cancel this 42 and 41. I can cancel this with 83. So this I am getting cancelled. Okay, next I will have 43 and let me check the color and change the color. 43 and 44. I am getting 87. Okay, so I have 87 here. I can directly cancel this 87. Next, what I have? Next, this is done, this is done, this is done, everything is done. Now these two is remaining. So 38 plus 39. So 8 is given 17, 336, 17, 77. Okay, so I can write this 77 as this is done. Okay, 77 I can write this as 88. I can write this as 77 plus 11. So this 77 will get cancelled. This 77 and this will get cancelled. Now I just have to add it properly. Okay, so this time I should add it. I should be very careful. Okay, so let me write it again. So this is 92, then 91, then 96, then 89, 11, and this last is 3. This is what I need to add now. Okay, now 9 plus 1 is 10. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. This is also 10. So it is 20, 20, 22. Okay, and then 22, right? 2 is the carry. So 10, 20, 30, 38. I'm getting 382. Hello, is this correct or that? Okay, so what you have done is, say for example, if you have two numbers, say it is 2xy, and say you have another number, say 10x square y. What is common between these two? Common between these two is nothing but HCF, highest common factor. So here it will be 2x and y. This will be the common factor between this number and this number. But here what they have used? They have used very large number. What is this very large number? 47 to the power of 43 plus 43 to the power of 43 and 47 to the power of 47 plus 43 to the power of 43. These numbers are very large, but you can observe one thing. What you can observe, that this is your odd
For
number,
the
this
second
is
term, it
your
is
odd number,
43 to the
this is
power of
again odd
47.
number, this is again odd number. But these numbers are, say you can say this is x to the power of a plus, no, not x to the power of a, x to the power of n plus a to the power of n. Whenever such numbers are there, this is divisible by x plus a when n is odd number, right? So I can very easily call what, that this number is 100% divisible by which number? 47 plus 43 number. this particular number is 100% divisible by 43 plus 47. 43 plus 47 number. Why? Because of this rule. Okay, same thing you can see over here. 47 to the power of 47 plus 43 to the power of 43 is divisible by 43 plus 43. Both are divisible. So what I can say? I can say that this both number has a common number, which is 90. So 90 is the correct answer for this particular question. Tell me, what is your doubt? Fine. So this is not 43, this should be 47. Okay, this should be 47. So as per this law, this and both should be odd. It is odd. So the answer is correct. So 90 is the correct answer for this. Fine. So it says simplify 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 4. Like that, it will going to continue in this particular sequence. At the end, you will get 1 plus 1 by 20. How can you add this? Let's try to add this. What will be this answer? The answer of this will be multiply by 2, divide by 2. You will get 3 by 2. Here again, multiply by 3, divide by 3. You will get 4 by 3. Here again, multiply 4, divide by 4. You will get 5 by 4. Like that, it will going to continue till what? Till 20 and 20. So this will be 21 upon 20. So you can observe one thing. What? This 3 is getting cancelled. This 4 is getting cancelled. Similarly, this 5 and 5 will get cancelled. Similarly, this 20 and 20 will get cancelled. And finally, you will get answer as 21 upon 2 is the answer. Or you can say 10 and half is the answer. Or you can say 10.5 is the answer. Got it?